Okay, so I have the Fitbit Blaze, and I've been having that one for over 2 years now. So I think it's time for an upgrade. I know they came out with special edition versions, but I noticed they're getting ready to release the Fitbit Versa. I know they got the Fitbit Ionic, but the price on that one is a little bit high for what it does, and I don't see the justification in it. Yes, it has the GPS built in, but still kind of steep. It's almost in the realm of getting an Apple Watch. But unfortunately, I can't get an Apple Watch because I have an Android phone, and you need an Apple phone for it to work. So that's not going to work. But like I said, it's time for me to do an upgrade, and I've been looking at this Fitbit Versa like I said, it's about to come out, and I think this is the one I'm going to upgrade to from the Fitbit Blaze. I noticed they got a special edition version of it, but I'm looking more on just the regular version right now, because the special edition version, from what I researched, compared to the regular version, is no real difference. It's more like the material, the band, stuff like that. But I'm going for the Fitbit Versa. That's the one I'm going for. I'm going to skip the Ionic and go straight to the Versa. So what I'm looking right now is at the Fitbit Versa, and it doesn't get released, I guess, 3 or 4 weeks from the time you pre-order it. They didn't set a specific date, so it's hard to tell when it's actually going to get released. They just said ship 3 to 4 weeks. So I'm not sure when they're going to release it right now. But what I'm looking at, like I said, the special edition is more of the material from what I'm seeing. The band. The band is I guess like a woven cloth material compared to the rubber band. And the rubber band is fine with me. But I'm weighing between these two colors. I'm looking at the charcoal black and this grayish color. That one kind of looks pretty cool in a way, but the black, but definitely not the peach or the rose gold color. Nah, I think I'm gonna skip on that one. So I'm looking at this one or that one, and I can't really decide. So if you're watching this video on the weighing which one you think I should get, leave a comment down there and let me know which one you think would look best. Like I said, right now I'm weighing towards this one, but that one looks just as good to me. Now, as far as the size go, when I was buying the Fitbit Blaze, I had to choose between small and large. I noticed this one says one size and it includes small and large. So I guess it either come with two band or the band is adjustable to fit both small and large hand, I assume. So right now I'm not thinking about pre-order it, because I think when it hits the street it's going to be available everywhere, at Walmart, Best Buy, places like that. So I think I'm just going to pick it up when it gets released instead of just pre-ordering and wait for it to come in the mail. I just have to keep watching out to see when they actually going to have a release date for it, because like I said, I can't tell by what they saying here when. I mean, 3 to 4 weeks could mean 3 to 4 weeks ago. I mean, is this going to update itself? I mean, is it next week it's going to say 2 to 4 weeks or 2 to 3 weeks? I'm not sure, but I'm just going to wait till it finally hit the street before I get it. But I'm definitely going to upgrade to this one instead of the Fitbit Ionic. This one doesn't have the GPS built in. It uses your phone for GPS. Now, as far as features, it's got on-screen workout, Bluetooth. The battery lasts 4+ days. I guess depends on how hard you use it. 15 exercise mode. It's got female health built in. This one has a feature that the Fitbit Blaze didn't have, and that is it's water resistant, and it goes up to 50 meters, which is pretty cool if you want to swim or in the rain, take a shower with it, whatever. It has customizable face. The Fitbit Blaze did have customizable face too. It's lightweight in design. Connected GPS means it's going to connect to your phone and use the phone GPS to do all the tracking. Another thing that the Fitbit Blaze don't have is apps. So this one, you should be able to download apps. like fitness, sport, news, travel, stuff like that. Of course, they all come with the heart rate tracker. It's got smart track where it's starting to record your exercise based on your activity. Like if you're running, it automatically turns to running mode on the Fitbit instead of you actually going there. And the Fitbit Blaze does that also. It's got personalized reminder, something I did not see this on the Fitbit Blaze, so this must be new to this watch. It's got cardio fitness level, so you can see your improvement over time as far as your cardio workout. It's synced wirelessly, just like the Fitbit Blaze. It has a dashboard. That had it too. This one comes with music experience. So it stores the music on the watch. The Fitbit Blaze itself could control music. So it's more like a remote control. So you'd have to plug the headphones into your phone while you're working out or jogging. And then you can skip songs on the watch by using the Fitbit Blaze as a remote control. And of course, the music would Bluetooth over to your headphones, and that's how the sound will be transmitted. And I think this one also comes where you can download like Pandora, which is something that I have. It would be nice if it do like the music players like Amazon Music and stuff like that, because I do have a lot of songs at Amazon Music, but I'm not sure if it's going to do that. So I'm not going to hold my breath on that one, but hopefully down the road it does. Let's see. Of course, it's got smartphone notification, just like the Fitbit Blaze, where you can see who's calling, text, calendar messages, stuff like that. A new thing on this one that the Fitbit Blaze don't have is payments. So it has a built-in NFC chips where it's connected to your credit card, and you can just hold your watch up to the payment terminal and just pay without actually taking out your wallet or your credit card and making a payment. And the all-day activity tracks your step, heart rate, distance, all your calories burned, and how many floors you've climbed, and all that stuff, just like the Fitbit Blaze. It also has a sleep tracker, just like the Fitbit Blaze, where it tracks your sleeping, and it knows when you go into deep and REM sleep, and when you toss and turn through the night, all that stuff. It also has a guided breathing session, which is also available on the Fitbit Blaze. So you can do breathing exercises. So as I can see down here, I can swap out the different accessories, as far as the band goes. I got the classic band, I got the leather band, and I got the metallic. If I want metallic silver or metallic black, well, let me see what it looks like. Yeah, it comes like a, what they call cognac. And we got lavender, we got navy blue, more like a midnight blue, and saddle stitches, which is like a light brown. So you got this dark brown, and then like I said, you got this light brown. But if you notice, this one has the stitches on it. And each one of those are $49.95. The classic band, it's just a regular, I think more rubber band. So you got, let me go back. So you got white, you got periwinkle, you got black, you got peach, and you also got gray. And as far as the metal link band, you got black stainless steel, and you got silver stainless steel. Yeah, so that's the Fitbit Versa that I plan on getting to replace my Fitbit Blaze. There's nothing wrong with the Fitbit Blaze, but I noticed that Fitbit themselves is probably phasing out that version of it because it's not a feature product on their website anymore. Although they still selling it, but I think what they're trying to do right now is clean out inventory and get rid of that version. Just to, like I said, clean out what's in stock as far as they're concerned. So I plan on getting this one to replace the one I have. I like the way it looks. I was looking at the Ionic, and I'd rather this one instead. Mainly what I'm concerned about is just tracking my steps and sleep patterns and stuff like that. Just stay healthy kind of thing, that's all. And I know this is a motivation tool to actually get you going. I know a lot of people say, yeah, it's not a smartwatch like the Apple smartwatch, but that's not what I'm looking for. I'm not really looking for a smartwatch. I'm just looking for a fitness device to actually stay fit and something to motivate me to keep up with my numbers and make sure I get my 10,000 steps each day. So I can do without the smartwatch right now because I don't need the feature of a smartwatch. I need something, like I said, this is dedicated fitness device, and that's what I'm actually looking for right now. So this is going to be my next purchase to replace my Fitbit Blaze, and I'm just going to wait, like I said, until it hit the street. I'm not even going to pre-order it. But like I say, if you want to weigh in on which color you think I should get, whether it be the gray silver aluminum or the black aluminum. Anyway, so that's going to be it for this video. I want to thank you for taking your time for watching this video. And if you've subscribed to this channel, I want to thank you for sticking with me. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you may want to consider subscribing. So when I get it, I'm going to put it through its pace, and then you can watch my review on my take on what I feel about it. So as soon as it hit the street, I plan on getting it that day, if possible. And then, like I said, I'm going to put it through its test. I'm going to probably unbox it, do a quick unboxing just for you to see what's in the package and stuff like that. So stay tuned for that video. As soon as I get it, like I said, I'm going to make the video and hopefully I can upload it the same day. And then I'm going to do some ongoing testing just to see how much better it is from the Fitbit Blaze to this version. Okay? All right, well, have a nice day, and I'll see you next time.